A single water molecule, insignificant on its own, but when the rain comes, part of a rejuvenating current that nourishes growth and renewal. Something infinitesimally small that's infinitely life-giving. At Alta Sciences, our scientific experts bring streams of innovative thinking to sponsors' research, cross-pollinating ideas, unveiling bold new bioanalytical solutions, leveraging the harmonized processes of 3 labs to explore new pathways to discovery. Unlocking the secrets of infinitesimally tiny molecules that bring life and hope to patients across the globe. Taking virtually nothing and making it mean everything. Alta Sciences, unveiling the invisible.